Did the DepEd submit any documents as to list of schools or list of learners or list of or number of abuses?
Based on
Reduced.
their submission po, wala po silang sinubmit na document.
And the third column says, increase community participation in reporting cases against learners. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Yes, ma'am. Based on
And the
this
same
document
is
po.
true for the second quarter and the third quarter, Mr. Witness.
Based on this document po, yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much was spent on this activity to increase community participation? For the first quarter
For the first quarter po, 10 million pesos.
and the second quarter,
For the second quarter, 10 million 75,000 pesos po.
and for the third quarter, Mr. Witness.
10 million 125,000 pesos po.
Okay. And for this community participation, totaling for the three quarters, 30 million. Meron bang listahan ng mga communities kung saan na-increase ang participation nila para sa reporting ng abuses ng mga kabataan?